In this video, I'll show you how to reset your online banking passcode on Barclays. If you've forgotten it or just want to change it, this process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. Open a browser and go to the Barclays Personal Banking Login page. Click on Forgotten Your Passcode below the passcode field. You'll be asked to enter your memorable word and confirm some personal details. Once verified, Barclays will let you reset your passcode. You'll receive a security code either by text message or through the Barclays mobile app via push notification. Enter that code when prompted. Now, choose a new 6-digit passcode. Make sure it's something you can remember but not too obvious. Once confirmed, your new passcode will be saved and ready to use the next time you log in. Quick tip: if you're locked out or having trouble, try clearing your browser cache or switching browsers before trying again. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick banking tips.